Welcome back, guys. Discount Tools here with another tool unboxing. Today we have the Center Forge from Harbor Freight 6-inch rugged cast iron swivel vise with anvil. This has a 6 1/4 max jar opening. Anvil size is 3 3/4 and 3/4 in length, 3 3/8 wide. Base diameter is 6 3/4 by 6 3/4. And overall dimensions is 15 inches in length by 6 3/4 width by 7 inches in height. This is what they say is new. We'll take a look at it and unbox it right now and see what's going on with it, really. Been there a lot since this whole coronavirus is going on, trying to save as much money as possible. So let's unbox her right now. Of course, we got tape all over the place here. Right out of the box, we got some instructions from Harbor Freight. Those in my recycling bin. Get her out of the box now. Let's get some cardboard out of here. And she is heavy, guys. We got the box out of the way. Unwraps easily too. Alright. I'll keep her in the plastic for now. But as you can see, just you guys over. Very nice. Jaws are, I wish I had a table right now. Put this on. Might have to get one of those tables from Home Depot or Harbor Freight. Actually, I might pick up that heart one I saw at whatchamacallit, just to put it on. I want something very easy, but you should be able to see now that right here you have two, I believe, hex keys, hex bolts, and these are removable. It's very heavy and very robust for the size. As you can see, if you can't see right here, it's very well oiled too. The reason why I got this is because I got to take my power steering pulley off, so I needed a bigger jaw for a vice grip. I only have like a 3-inch jaw right now. As you can see, it's probably like a minute or two. Should be almost full length. Just keeps coming. Got a tape measure over here. We'll measure the size. I don't actually think this is a 6 1/4 length. Alright, there we go. Alright, so that's, well, as you can see, that's as big as it gets. Grab a tape measure you own. Stubby. Well, stud. Should get her. As you can see, it's just shy of 7 inches. The length. You play with it, it's just about 7 inches. 7 1/4, the only thing I could think of, 6 1/4, is if they're measuring from here, which is 6 1/2. So you definitely have a 7-inch gap right there, just about. So they do lie to you on that. So it's not as small as 6 1/4. But will this pulley fit inside? Perfect. This pulley will fit inside. So far so good. I mean, let's see how it holds this guy. This would go faster if I had it on a table, but don't have that option right now. Alright, that's in there. It's pretty sturdy until we break that off. But you also have 2 swivels here to swivel the base here, left or right, and you have 4. You have 4? 3. You have 3 mounts. You don't have 4. Angle this down here. As you can see, you have 3 mounts to mount this to a table. You don't have a 4th mount on that side. Have about just shy of 4 inches. And this way, that's 3 1/4 you have. So not too bad. We'll try this out. I mean, it seems like it's going to do a very good job for everything else. Stay tuned for my pulley video, and we'll show. Maybe I'll add it on. But so far, I'm very happy. I like the robustness of this. The price was great. It was about under $60, just shy of $60, under $60 actually. It was 59 something, with the 20% off coupon. I like the blue. If you have the blue cabinets, they will match perfectly. But also it stands out in the shop if you have all black. And yeah, I mean, it seems like it will. It's very robust, and you know, the metal is cast iron. It seems nothing, you know, out of whack. So I'm very happy. I'm hoping this will withstand the test of time. We can only see. I'll try to do some updates on it, but as always, that's my final thought. I think this is a good value for what it is. So that's my final thought. So please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed or think about subscribing. Leave a comment down below if you have this vise, or tell me how some of the other vices are. I think I have a Bessie, and that was a little too small. That was about a 3-inch. So, for what I'm doing. And, as always, keep on trucking, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Hope you liked the video. Peace.